At the airport, we own $7 billion worth of assets. And so as the asset manager, my group looks at things like capital refurbishments, maintenance optimization, essentially extending the life cycle of our assets. The kind of assets that I'm talking about at the airport are passenger boarding bridges, our escalators, moving walkways, elevators. We have a cogeneration plant, everything from our pavements to the infrastructure of the actual buildings, and anything from our baggage system to our HVAC equipment. We're growing at 8% per year. In 2016, we had 44 million passengers go through the airport. So this is putting a lot of stress on our assets, and it's also shrinking our maintenance windows. With predictive maintenance, we want our assets to talk to us. We want it to essentially call us on our cell phone and tell us it's about to break down. And on top of that, we want it to tell us what the solution is to fixing it and getting it up and running. What we're hoping for with bringing in this type of technology like IoT and predictive maintenance is essentially to become the best airport in the world.